Bro, what the fuck, bro? Nobody told me like I was on mute. What the hell? I thought I was speaking to you guys. I know like my clock is going to be 360 degrees since a full circle is supposed to be a 360 degree. I didn't know that, bro. I was literally speaking for past 30 minutes. I thought you people were able to hear me, so I was speaking. I can't understand this thing. Oh, calculate angle of everything, but how do you calculate angle now? Bullshit. So what I know is like 360 degree is going to be whole clock, and my 1 minute is going to be 60 seconds, and my 1 hour is going to be 60 minutes. Now I need to find the connection in between them, I guess. And we also know like we have totally we have 12 hours in a clock. Now I need to find the angle and find the difference between them. What? It's like if 360 degrees representing 12 hours, then how much degree is going to be for 1 hour? How much degree is going to be 1 hour? Maybe hard divided by 12. The fuck? Oh, 360 divided by my hour. You get the hour now. How we form the angle? So this is angle. We'll get if this is 1 hour, then we are going to get 30 degree, I guess. What are they saying? Calculate and find the difference. Calculate angles and find the difference. Mm. Yeah, I live in South India. We have to calculate for the minute also. Similarly, we did for the hour. What I think is I need to take minutes and some calculation will happen here. And we have the same for hour, which hour is going to be my 3 hour divided by 360. What about the minute, bro? Fuck, bro, I'm so fucking dumb. Yes, sir. Wait. Let total is going to be my um. We had our hour and divided by 12, which is going to be my total hour. And if I add my minutes plus 60, right? ये अपना टोटल रहेगा like overall time, total hours, completely total hours. Let us calculate for the hour angle. Hour angle is going to be total divided by 3. For 1 hour it is, if for 1 hour it is 30 degree, then it is going to be total into 30. And what about the minute hand? Why these things are so much harder for me? Minutes into 60, and I need to find the difference, right? Difference between my hour and minute angle, right? math.abs of r angle minus minute angle. Now they have asked us to return the minimum, right? So minimum of what? The difference and what? We have the difference. We have to take the minimum between what? Total degree is like 360. So will it be 360 minus difference? Total is going to be this one, and r angle 1 hour is equals to 30 degree. Minute is like 1 minute 60 seconds, and difference is going to be this, and I'm going to return the minimum out of both difference and 360 minus difference. Whatever is minimum value, we're going to return. Yo, Thor, what's up? What the fuck? Why I'm getting in minus, bro? Oh, why I'm getting the wrong answer? Is my calculation wrong? R is supposed to be R divided by 12, and minute is supposed to be divided by 60, which is going to give me the total this thing, and R angle is supposed to be my total into 30, which is going to be my 1 degree. Sorry, 1 hour is equals to 30 degree. So my total multiplied by this one. Let minimum. Yeah, bro, I know, bro. I suck at coding. Yeah, I got like 50 or 55 something in my mathematics subject. I barely passed. 0.54 degree per minute. Then this one. Nah, hell nah. Because I started working as an full stack developer, so yeah. Minute is supposed to be 6 degree. What the fuck? Read that motherfucker. Airtel replied me. So Airtel does not even care. The fuck, Airtel does not even care, bro. You don't even know about me, bro. I have even leaked my whole details. Don't fucking care. What could you possibly do? Wait, rating? I want to see the one-liner solution. Tutorials. Nobody has used one-liner solution. Bro, dynamic. Where is the online solution, bro? I don't see the online solution anywhere. Math with Max was easy, bro. What is this? It said zero point 0.5. It said zero point 0.5 degree for a minute, but he wrote 5.5. Even 5.5 works. What the fuck it works, bro? 6 and 5. How the hell did it work for him? He took a total angle. But he's doing the same thing actually. What the fuck? Subtracted 5.5 from the hour and he multiplied it with minutes. No, I'm just looking it here, bro. Like if something is here, I'm just looking for that. Who said like people would have wrote some one-liners? I was just checking if someone wrote. I don't even see one. This is trigonometry. Oh, I see now. The fuck I was not able to come up with a solution. 11. Why I multiplying with 11? Maybe I need to work on my maths. Yo, not everyone are like pro in maths, bro. People figure out, so you might not be able to see the solution what you're expecting from here, and you might be able to do it in one way. Most of the people don't know that thing. Where you talking about this thing? Oh, he's writing 0.5, but I wrote 0.5, but it didn't work. I literally wrote 0.5 after this guy told me write 0.5. So whole angle is going to be by R. R is going to be. Yeah, I wrote it here. Let me try some degree questions. Like, how do I see similar questions? Degree of an what this guy is spamming, man. Wait a minute. So I have to find the most repeating number and their index. And if I multiply both these things, I can get the output edges. Here we have to, and here I had that. This is interesting. back to the business. What if every element was maximum? Will there be only the 21? Any one of its elements? And what did you scribble, bro? If it is 0.5, then how does 6 work? Maybe I need to learn math. Maybe I need to learn maths by side by side. This is total minutes. 360 by y. Y was my minute, right? If we do this, then my y will come here. 60 will go here. And what? Sorry. Maybe the minute. How this is equals to this? Why the image is transparent, man? I'm on full brightness, bro. What the fuck? So you're saying 360 divided by x, which is going to be. So x is supposed to be my r and y is supposed to be my minute. 360 360 divided by y is going to be 720. Then how come 6 was working, bro? How come the 6 was working then? Like, what I did is like I did total multiplied by 30 plus minutes into 6 and absolute of both of this, subtract, return the difference minus 360 is total degree. Fuck, bro, I'm not able to write neatly in using mouse. 6 is the minute hand only, and calculation is sent or sent for the hour. There is different part question. Oh, yo, where can I revise max or like learn max? I'm not good with max. Maybe I should start learning one. If they start spamming questions like this, if it is completely related to max, then oh, this looks like a diary now. Any one of its element, any one of its element. Uh-huh. There can be only one max at most, I guess. It's the unitary method. The fuck is unitary method? Oh, so you call this as a unitary method, and then this technique is this kind of question is known as unitary questions. Involves in finding a value for single unit and calculate the value. Cool, bro. I'm marking this thing. Can you share any resources available for this? Like, how can we learn this thing? Unitary method, or maybe you have an Khan Academy video. But this is sixth class max. What the fuck? I'm so weak in maths. I literally hate maths. I read in the max. How the fuck is the max? Dot value. The fuck? 2 is the maximum number here. It's 2 degree. 3 is the maximum number, 3 degree. Oh, we got the degree. I got the degree. We have to find the subarray. I have to find the smallest subarray. input degree of 2, because both of the element 1 and 2 appears twice of the subarray that have same degree. They have to include both of them. The degree 3 because element 2 is repeated 3 times. I only need to take the subarray. Since we have found the degree, now we have to only return the task to find the smallest possible length of contiguous subarray of thumbs that has same degree as thumbs. We only need to find the smallest subarray now. Since we have found the degree, we need to find same as the degrees. Like how do I say that? The subarray should contain the same degree as the nums. Will be found right. How do we get the degree now? Input array has degree of 2 for both of subarray that have same degree. Okay, we have 2 here, and you have 1 here. Have 2. We have 2 again 2. Find the degree same as my number. Let minimum. For minimum, what can I store? The plus infinity. So we are going to iterate on stop value count of my all values. If my count equals to degree, then we are going to consider them. If I have a count equals to my degree, then I have to calculate my values inside it. Do we really need an array to do this? I don't think we need an array. If count is equals to degree, then I'm going to take my current value. Yo, wait a minute.
मोबाइल का सी मोबाइल रखा सुता सवेरे जब अपना टोना करा अपना दिमाग से उठी है
If my smallest degree is possible, then I mean, like if it is equals to my count, then I'm going to hey bro, I'm running an AI company MP. Oh, man. Is this a company name? I'm paying 60k rupees to my employee, and we are like 10 members, but also profitable within year 2025. We have created a profit of 76 lakhs. Wow. Good, bro. What is MRP? Oh, oh, it's related to biophysics. Oh, is this something related to the COVID vaccine? Some sort of virus? Is this you, bro? My count is equal to my degree, then I'm going to include the value. Count is equal to my degree, then I'm not able to think answer out of this thing. What the fuck? Maybe we need to find the occurrence of the element, I guess. What if I find my first and last occurrence? Maybe something like this. What do you call that function? I don't remember the name. That's do you, do you wanted to work with us? We have PhD holders in mathematics and astrophysics, and also we are okay. We are looking for highly skilled members. I pay 90k for that as an AI developer. You mean like developing with the AI or like something else, bro? You mean developing with the AI or like something related to building an AI itself? Yeah, man. Just because of randomly solving questions and getting fucked up. Maybe I need to get good. But I think this should work. Now we have the first and last index. Now if you take the length of this thing, current length is going to be my first minus last plus plus one. And if I take the minimum of this value now, which is going to be my minimum and current length, then I think we should get the value. Since this will give us the subarray of current length. I mean current subarray's length. And I think it should give me the value. I don't think I can return it inside itself. I think maybe I can do minimum equals to math or and in the end I can determine. Bro, bro, are you for real, bro? Like you invested $1 million, but a dev member have leave the project in mid. Mm, Perl AI? You mean like Perl language? Yo, it's so sad to know this man. Like, why did he leave? I mean, like he got a good offer from different company. Definitely you need to follow some kind of pattern sheet or something rather than doing random question for you. This should work, man. My gut feeling says it should work. First, I'm taking the first index of the value which is having the count equals to my degree, same as my degree. And I'm taking the last occurrence of that value. And if I do first minus last plus 1, which is going to give me the total size of the subarray, I mean, from where till where. And if that's a minimum, then I'm going to take it. And if I return my minimum, it should work out. If this is not working, then I don't know. I'm getting wrong. I'm getting wrong. Should it be math dot absolute? It's giving me 0. This is really wrong. But this is supposed to give me the thickness between those two. Maybe because of the order, I think it matters because of, yeah, finally. 7 percentage, are you for real, bro? 7 percentage. People have done a lot of stuff. So he took a maximum like this. If my maximum frequency is less than 1, then I'm going to keep my maximum frequency as a maximum distance. It's going to take maximum distance. Which is, I guess this should be the maximum distance formula, I guess. First occurrence and the last occurrence. I don't know why people are doing a lot of stuff. Even for the easiest question, I took like more than 40 minutes. I think I took more than 50 minutes for this question, where I have to only find the maximum frequency and smallest subarray that is equals to a degree. I'm so fucking weak. I need to grind. I need to put more hours. Yo, so many people subscribe, but why daddy is still here? It should be you guys, right? Why this is not getting updated? This put a subscriber train. Oh, what is train clock? I see. All these are bullshit. What the hell did I do? I don't think I need this thing. Big daddy is on top, bro. But literally, a lot of people subscribe to this, but it does not have the recent data, I guess. Train doesn't work. Maybe I should write. Maybe I should write an extension where it will take the latest subscribers things and yeah, bro. Thank you. I had the chat pinned there, but people told me like it's so annoying. Please remove the chat. So I removed. What the hell is this? You only have a count. What about the name? But this doesn't show the name, bro. I haven't made any progress, man. I can't say. I literally made zero progress, nothing. I don't have anything to show you. You don't have to know that. Maybe I think okay. There are no update here, so that's the reason. I think this thing is not getting update. We have an issue here, like microphone and pitch. Oh, you want the chat? I'll add the chat, bro. People told me it's annoying, so I removed. Where should I keep the chat? Should I keep it here? Should I make it smaller? How the fuck does this look? Now I'm going to stream till like 12 o'clock. I'm going to do C, little bit of C. Oh, you mean the lead code? Now I'm going to stream till like 12 o'clock. I'm going to do C, I think I did C. 200 questions, I guess. Not much, but yeah, 200. Max to max 200. Oh, you mean the lead code? Now I'm going to stream till like 12 o'clock. I'm going to do C, I think I did C. 200 questions, I guess. Not much, but yeah, 200. Max to max 200. Oh, you mean the lead code? Now I'm going to stream till like 12 o'clock. I'm going to do C, I think I did C. 200 questions, I guess. Not much, but yeah, 200. Do we have any admissions today? Okay, let's get back to the yesterday's learning part. Because you guys were not there, but I was learning this thing. Now I'm going to learn C. Where did I create the folder? I hate this thing. Now this thing will not let me sleep, so I guess this is fine. Okay, cool. Missing header malloc. Reading won't work it. Yeah, I know. Reading has an double R. R plus, I guess. Where is the reading? Oh, I have modified this one. First, understand where the variable lives. Where is it? Answer stack memory. Instead of int age equals to 21, do malloc of size becomes what the fuck is this? This is supposed to allocate my memory, and size of is supposed to give me the size of integer, which is going to be 4, I guess. Will it be 4? Don't ask me to. What do you mean by I don't memorize the integer equals to 4? That's a fucking size. You have to remember it. Memorized size of, yeah. Okay, now I understood. I mean, like, if integer is supposed to be like 4 for every programming language, right? Or will it differ for different languages? Integer in programming language size differs, or it stays the same for all. I guess it should stay same for all languages. Not same for all languages, differ widely across programming languages, and in some languages it changes depending upon the computer processor. Okay, mine is 64-bit. Board's bit was 32-bit. Integer size are defined by how many bits of memory they use, which dictates the maximum and minimum mathematical value they can hold. Oh. So you're saying like 32, if I have 32-bit and 64-bit systems, then my integer, how the fuck is it working? Python is like dynamic, I don't believe. Even JavaScript has dynamic. Like you can literally put let and store and string, or like store a number. Like same goes for the Python, and only Golang, C and C++ and Rust have the fixed sizes. If you're dealing with the network and binary files, memory constrained environments like microcontrollers, It's always best to use exact fixed width integer size such as 32-bit or 64-bit. Wow, this is something. So your program behaves predictably. If you would like, let me know what programming language you're working and the task you're trying to build. Yep, hitting the depth. Is it C or C sharp? Then what the fuck? I think we can even make games in C, bro. We can literally make games in any languages. Legendary language for understanding how computer works under the hood, but it's rarely used for the modern games. Fuck you, bro. Now I have to learn C sharp. What is the extension for the C sharp, man? Seriously, I'm jumping language to language. Yeah, exploring. Yep. Since I'm bored with the web development, I'm trying to look for some other different categories of things existing in our fucking world. So just exploring. I want to start LeetCode. How do you think I should? Just start, bro. Just start. Just start like me. I mean, you don't start like me. Like you will get stuck. You can start like Tejas. Tejas is like bro. Follow the Tejas guide. Maybe I should create a folder for. I'm deleting this shit. Bro. Hell no. I'm going to have an. I'm going to have an sharp folder inside my C. Wow. Even C sharp will be shocked. Bro. C and sharp both is there. So you're going to learn C sharp now. Fuck you. I need a prompt now. I'm going to head to the AI mode. I'm going to ask for the prompt. Okay, can you give me prompt for teaching me C sharp from basic? I'm just exploring game dev from scratch in C sharp. Could you generate and prompt that will prompt the chat GPT me game dev from base and make sure you had an experience of 10 plus years, maybe 20 plus years in the prompt. It should cover all the categories that are required to get started. Python for cybersecurity since I am in that branch. C++ is faster, by the way, even faster than Java. Yeah, you guys fight with the languages partly. Act as an veteran game developer. Architect with 20 plus years of experience in shipping commercial games using C Sharp. Your mission is to teach me C Sharp game development completely from scratch. I'm beginner, no prior experience. Break down the learning journey into structured and bite size, sequential modules. What the fuck did I do? Sequential module. Don't move to the next module until I demonstrate understanding and tell you to proceed. For every concept you teach me, you follow the 4 steps. Concepts explain C sharp concepts in simple language, using video game analogy and explaining the variable as and player's inventory slots forms. And provide a clean, well commented code snippet showing how it works. Context explain exactly how this specific code applies to the game development, Unity Goda, and custom engines. Challenge, give me some small practical coding assessment to quiz test my understanding before we move on. And please ensure that complete curriculum covers essential foundational category. All these are like basics of programming at this point. This is what we did the most. Game math. Yeah, now we are going to explore mathematics, which I fucking hate. Game loop mechanism, input handling, updating the frame and rendering. Let's begin to introduce yourself. Some 20 years ago. Again, he told the same shit. Okay, I think it's fine enough. I am your mentor for the journey, game developer and software architect with 20 years of experience building commercial games, gameplay systems and engine tools, multiplayer features, AI systems shipping the title across PC and mobiles. And we are going to learn C Sharp in the same way programmers learn it in the real studio. Understand the concept, write the code, understand why it matters in the game, practice immediately, no rushing. You will complete each challenge before we move forward. Complete complete roadmap. Module 1. So all these are like basic programming, I guess. Wow, we are even hitting the deepest part like polymorphism, component based. Interesting. I love the prompt given by the AI mode, which is pretty much neat, I guess. We are going to learn game map, which is going to be coordinates, vectors, vector 3 plus vector 2 and vector 3. No, distance is like, yeah, this is for collision deduction, I guess. Direction is supposed to say the direction. This is how I should have learned already. What the fuck am I doing? Physics basics. Game loop mechanisms, input handling, update loop, delta time. What the fuck is delta time? A rendering concept. Wow. Real game architecture. We are going to cook something and we are going to get cooked. Player has health of 100 and gold as 50, level 1, and name is Kenite. Where do you store this value? Set variables. Is he explaining me or like he's giving me some brief right now? I think he started explaining me. Module 1, level 1 variables. Okay. First, you should tell me how to. I mean, like, what the fuck is the extension of C sharp? ODS would be easy pick up like arrays and strings and starting linked list trees and recursion DP graph, and it might take some time. Like DSA in what kind of solving would be necessary? I don't know, you can ask for this guy. You need a development environment and foundation before you need to install .NET SDK. Oh, this is .NET. Ah, don't I have a .NET in my system? I think I have .NET. Run and download and run the configuration file. Okay. Did it download this much faster? It's just 962B. What does B supposed to be? By retrieving the configuration details. I think he's hitting the server to get the data. Ah, it's taking a lot of time. Will it take a lot of time now? Okay, God. You're responsible for understanding the configuration settings and choosing the execute, and Microsoft is not responsible for the configuration files and authored or imported and configuration settings in the Windows and install the services on behalf. By running the configuration files, you acknowledge that you understand and agree to this or not does grant any licenses and third-party packages or services. Have you review the configuration? Would you like to proceed applying this to the system? Definitely. Let's go, guys. We are going to jump deeper inside the game dev now. First time exploring game dev. I did explore in C++ with Relief, but I left it in the middle since the project got heavier on my head when I was working in the startup company. But yeah, now I don't know. I mean, I lost my fucking job. Now I need to find one new. Install .NET. I think if I learn C Sharp, then I can find some job related to .NET. I guess there is plus for me since I'm going to learn game dev. I mean, exploring game dev, and since in the process we are going to learn .NET. I guess like maybe .NET will be there. I guess I don't know. If it is there, then I'm ultimately learning .NET as well as C Sharp, which is going to be useful for me if there is some .NET roles are open. Binget package. Fucking use it chocolate bro. What the fuck are you doing? Do it faster, man. It's already 11:10. I want to wrap up around like 1 a.m. So do it faster. No, why the fuck is taking a lot of time, man? I'm going to read the concepts until then. Now, what is the extension of the Shisha? Let me close all the rest files. It's not useful for me. I'm not doing LeetCode right now, so we are going to put this. Don't need this. Don't need this. Yeah. What is the extension of Shisha file? Oh, what the fuck is this? CS.for. I don't understand this shit. Would you like me to write a basic C sharp code template? CS. Ah, shit. I should have guessed already, man. Like, literally, the name says C sharp, so which is like CS ultimately for. Yeah, how long it will take to install this shit, bro? Come on, man. Just fucking install. Until then, I can use the online SDK, I guess. Like, online C sharp. Until then, we can learn from here. Learning should never stop. Oh fuck it, we just get pinged. What the fuck is wrong with you? Now, what happened to the chat GPT now? So, bro, this is literally like JavaScript. I thought it would be like little bit difficult, but it has a console.write line. I don't understand. So, creating the variable, it should be the same, I guess. It shouldn't change. Maybe I should turn off my backlight since the screen is already white and bright enough. Will it be string or like capital S? Capital S is like a class name, right? So, where do we store the variables? Yeah, I've stored the variables now. What the fuck is this? Oh, this is. He's trying to explain this shit. Okay, this is literally same. It's only for printing it's going to change. This is going to be console capital S, capital C. Ah, my JavaScript is kicking now. Player. I'm not going to print everything, but yeah, I'm going to print. Bro, my JavaScript is getting kicked in middle, bro. After writing console, like I have an habit of writing console.log for past years, so getting habitual to this thing will take me like a lot of time. What the fuck happened? Did it not install? Okay, it's install. Oh, bro, it's literally installing the VS Code extension on its own. This is interesting. Okay, I think we got the thing. What we were expecting. Hello.cs. I think we got it. Into main, I'm not able to type anything. What the fuck happened? I'm literally not able to type anything here. What the fuck? Ah, now it's so it has an method similar to the Java, and it has a console similar to the JavaScript. This is pretty much like using system. What does using system does? Do I need to install some other different extension since I think Code Runner should work for that. Code Runner should work. Does Code Runner include C Sharp? C Sharp dev kit. I need this thing. We already installed it. Thank you so much. And it says snippets for C. It literally installed some, or literally installed every extension possible for the C Sharp. Now we are going to have using system. Uh, First time after long time I'm using what do you call that thing? Light mode. So it's pretty much cool now. Like I now I understand why people are using right. Int main is supposed to be okay. Then why the fuck it had public static? The fuck? Oh, did I go on some different extension? Online Shisha, Shisha, Shisha. Did I go on the different compiler? It literally has same as JavaScript. But here we have only main. I don't want to. I don't want to again debug for this thing. Like, where is the main function? You don't even have the main function. How will it run? It will start complaining. I hate it. What the fuck? My system is started. Bro, what happened to the painting? This is going to be okay. This is supposed to be capital since my class name should be always capital. And my program name should be hello, otherwise it will say from where are you calling the program, you don't even have the program file name as program. PSVM should work, right? PSVM, it won't work, but in Java it works. Probably static void main. I remember syntax. Or for here, we have the main as capital M, but I think in Java we have small m. What the hell is this? Okay, we got what we are trying to get, so now we are going to get back to the game. I'm going to create the variables, which is going to be my health 100 and in full is going to be my 50. And we are going to have the level, which is going to be 1. And string player name, maybe player, we cannot right now. And some of the console, okay, it does autocorrects. That is pretty much nice. Can I do like this? I think this should work. Who is going to write a lot of console? Or even it requires a semicolon at the end. If I run this, will it work? It says script.bash. Okay, I need to do setup. It didn't work. Tortoise, what's up? Yo, Harsh, what's up? Oh, it even requires something else. That is what I did. Oh, I need to do console lab. Okay, we can't directly run. We can't directly. What the fuck is this? It's doing something now. So you're saying like I have to create my project like this and then only it will run? Like I can literally, I can't do like this. I create a simple file and write program and run. You shit. Oh shit. It says restore something. Why you are restoring? Maybe I can manually compile and run it. Oh, simple .NET run. That's it. Okay, I think I should go sharp. What happened this? It says it can't find the file, but I have to find it. Ooh, okay, now I understand. If I do this, did it really create something? Ah, it created something. I have to write my file here. I'm just copy pasting this thing, not going to write. I'm literally going to copy paste this thing. Oh, where is my writing? Instead of hello, I'm going to write program, which is my class name. I think now we are good to go. Delete this shit. And if I run .net, .net run, then it should, come on man, build the file. Cannot convert into string. What do you mean by into string? What are you even trying to convert into string? You mean like you can't print like this? If you remove this, this even complains like a Golang, I guess. Nah, bro, this is literally fucking. Oh, so console log was there. Right? Just now I thought this thing. Prettier doesn't work here. What the fuck is wrong with the prettier, bro? Just fucking run prettier. That's not even doing something. If I do dot run dot net dot run now, will it work now? It's what the fuck are you restoring everything? Come on, show me the output, bro. Please show me the output now. That's what I need. There we go. We got whatever was getting started. Imagine players spawning a game in 100 which code is like starting. And CAD is a character name. Every game you have played uses thousands of videos. Thousands of videos. Okay, now we got a challenge right now. We can do the challenge. So it says I need to create a character called as Archer. Where the fuck is the back? Like maybe there. Archer. Int mana. Oh, mana is like magical power. I have seen a lot of animals. There, what the fuck is it even doing? Okay, okay, let me write one console log and I can start this. Not right is like in the same line itself. Right line is like printing new line. Player, need to copy paste this thing. Copy paste, mana, copy paste, level, figure and dot net run. What does it says? Health is assigned but never used. I like this thing, bro. Different languages doesn't do this thing. I hate that. I like when it says like, oh, you have declared this variable, but you haven't used it. It does look good. After printing them, change the health loss to 20 points. My health loss is 22. Losing health 20. So my health is going to be health minus equals to 20. And mana gain is like mana plus equals to 10. And then printing the health. Expected final. After printing, after printing is like answer the why do we need an 120? I see. Code runner doesn't run. 190 was expected, right? See, what the fuck? He wants all the answers. Right. Do that, bro. That's a gold. Didn't I have it? You're not even console now. Like comment this thing out. Is this supposed to be green every time? Bro, that confused me. Imagine we are making an RPG. Game stores different kinds of information. Player health, breath, player speed, player name, archer, quest complete, truth, ADA. What is something is a different kind of value. Player name is not a number. The status is not a text. Movement speed is not contained, may contain decimals. Because of this, shop needs a different layer ID. But there are plot option slots. Something. Yeah, definitely. They ask me a question. There you go. So, in C sharp, decimal are treated as double by default. So, what is it? Oh, okay. If this is running, then there won't be any issues. Got a lot of stuff here. Okay, we haven't used them. Concept: imagine a game, player, kill monster. Let's create the mini RPG. Takes 25 damage. Earn 100 points. Level up twice. Heal damage. Find the final values. Good to go, man. I don't know. 75. Imagine shopkeeper NPC. If they have taught us programming with this project, it'd be crazy. Game as specific. Does player have enough gold? Comparison. This is how the university should have taught us the programming. The AI is doing it better. I mean, since I'm learning game, I mean exploring game dev. That's the reason it's teaching me like it. But yeah, it's good to learn this way. Does this have something else to tell me? Someone asked me for I think it's going to return the that is true. Yes, even this is true. No, past one's false. CLS. C projects. What is C projects? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get to the exercise. Conditionals. Write a program, it's going to be a player has at least three. The fuck is this? Oh, I think Prettier is working right now. Not the fuck stuff. The last one is not necessary. This, shit. I want to try, but I want to change that shit. Yo, you guys should try this prompt, bro. I don't know if I can put this thing in the YouTube chat. It's going way beyond that. I can put it on the Discord if you guys want to. If you want, you can join the Discord here. Like, and this is pretty much clean from literally covers everything. If you're a complete newbie, I think you can learn. Since I have a bit experience with the programming, I think skip all this part, but still I'm just doing it. I need to hurry up. Okay, he gave me an sorry. Says int mana is given me like 50, and he says if mana at least greater than equals to 50. This is fun to do. Did he really have these many questions? Did I see that? He had only one. Well, there was a middle topic. Just .env literally web development is kicking like since my score is greater than my 500, it's not relevant. So here I'm Why my eye is not printed? The fuck is this? Yo, CS, what's up? आई क्यों करने वाला प्लस आता है प्लस it should be one. I am sorry. थोड़ा सा स्पेस दे I need to write this. That's cool. Going to fit inside class model. Now we are going to write the real code. This is actually better than the yeah. Hmm. Can I really create a class inside class? Should I write outside script? I don't think it will allow me to write outside. Started complete. So I can write in it. String. I guess later it will happen. How do you even export the thing? Oh, whatever. Let's show something. What happens if it throw me some errors, bro? It does say something continue. The and construct. networks. Yield 10%.